Hi, I'm Matt Crane, Sales Director here at Prosperon Networks. I'm excited to invite you to our next webinar within our highly popular series, The Power of SolarWinds Customisation. This series is designed to help you maximise the value you and your organisation get out of the SolarWinds product you use. In this webinar, you will discover how to enhance your SolarWinds platform using advanced API integrations. The first example looks at how to integrate ITSM solutions like ServiceNow to SolarWinds. You will learn how to automatically map device maintenance windows from ServiceNow to SolarWinds and use triggers to automate time-saving functionality, such as changing a device status from managed to unmanaged, or suppressing alerts during a device's maintenance window. The second example looks at how to synchronize the SolarWinds database to CMDB data repositories. You will learn how to bi-directionally synchronize CMDB or ITSM data repositories with SolarWinds to simplify the management of device configurations and custom properties. This webinar will be led by our Technical Director and SolarWinds MVP, Mark Roberts, and Antonis Athanasiou, one of our Senior System Engineers and our SolarWinds MVP himself. They will be demonstrating how to achieve these integrations live on the webinar, and will be exploring how general performance and capabilities of the platform can be improved by integrating other IT systems and tools directly into SolarWinds. Thanks very much.